Are you tired of the endless back and forth with Google Drive, downloading files, making edits, and then uploading them again? It feels like you're stuck in the Stone Age. If you're spending way too much time managing your files, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Google Drive desktop app can completely transform your workflow. We will be ditching the download, edit, upload nightmare and unlock a world of seamless file syncing. And if you like easy solutions, make sure to subscribe for more time-saving tips. What you are seeing on my screen right now is my Google Drive. With the Google Drive desktop app, it's like magic. Your file drives are right here on your computer, just like any other folder. You can open any folder, look out for your respective files, and edit it on the go on your computer. Let me save this file and close this, and on the bottom right you can see the Google Drive icon. After clicking on it, you can see that the syncing is in progress and doc1, which we just currently edited, is being uploaded in your drive. And it's done. Now let us go to Google Drive and check this file and check whether it has been updated or not. I'm opening Google Drive on Chrome. Let us go to the recent menu, and here you can see that doc1 is there. Let us open this. And yes, here we have the edit which we just made. It gets very convenient to open the file, make edits and save it directly on your computer, and the changes are automatically synced back to Google Drive. So no longer we need to download the file, edit the file and upload it. It's all seamless and instant. And plus you can collaborate in real time, making teamwork a breeze. Let me show you how. So I'll go back to the files menu. Suppose I wish to share this file with someone. So I'll just right click on this, come to show more options. And here you can see you have a host of Google Drive options. Those are available to you. So you can copy the link to the clipboard. You can share with Google Drive, add shortcut to Google Drive, manage versions and offline access. If you wish that this file stays with you on the computer even without an internet connection, you can make it available offline. Now let me show you how you can share this with Google Drive. So you can just click on the share with Google Drive button. You have a dialog box that pops up, and you can add the email address of the person with whom you wish to share this. So let me just share this with my other account. You can give the editor access, or you can just give the viewer access, or just the commenter. I'll currently give the viewer access. And also you have the copy link option, by which you can get the link and share it with the respective persons, and click on the send button. Once click on send, the file share is done. Now let me show you how to set up the Google Drive desktop application on your computer. Firstly, you need to go to Google Chrome, go to Drive, and on the right you can see the gear icon. Click on the gear icon and click on Get Drive for Desktop. And here we have the Download Drive for Desktop button. Click on it. Once the file is downloaded, you need to run the setup file. Here we have a pop-up which is asking us for add an application shortcut to your desktop. So that is totally your preferences. I'll be unchecking both of these and I'll click on the install button. Now here we have the Google Drive successfully installed. Let's click on the launch button and see what happens. On the taskbar you can see that there is a Google Drive icon which has come up. Let me click here. And here we go. Here we have the Google Drive application interface. Now on the top right you can see there is the Google account, you have the more options button, and you have the pause syncing. You can add up to 4 Google accounts on this desktop drive application. You have the pause syncing button which will pause all the file synchronization. On the top left you have the open drive folder which will open the files manager on your computer, and you can see that we have Google Drive key. So it is available under this PC, and all your Google Drive files are available here. Now I will just show you how convenient it is to use Google Drive desktop application. Let me create a new file, and I'm going to call this as test123. When you come on the taskbar, you can see the Google Drive icon. Once we click here, you can see that the test123 docs has synced. Now let me show you how this looks on my Android device. On my Android device, I'm opening up the Google Drive application, and you can see the account has been set up on the top right. And I'll just refresh this page, and you can see that test123.docs file is available to me. So it becomes very convenient for me to access all the files anywhere. And the best part is that this application is available for both Windows as well as Mac devices, and it integrates perfectly with your existing workflow. So let us ditch the old way and embrace the future of file management. The Google Drive desktop app is a game changer, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Download it today and experience the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how the Google Drive desktop app has changed your workflow. I will also be adding the download link in the description for the Google Drive desktop app. Thank you so much once again.